Hello and welcome back, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1973 Plymouth Fury. This beautiful car has only 12,575, 80 miles on it. So 12,500 miles. This is a note from the previous owner. 318 cubic inch V8, 3-speed automatic transmission, blue sky interior finish with a white vinyl top, dark blue split bench seat with folding armrest, power steering and brakes, factory air conditioning that blows cold, 15-inch wheels with full hubcaps and white wall tires, only 12,570 carefully driven miles. Don't miss this unrestored time capsule from the 70s. And I'll tell you what, this car is absolutely stunning. I mean, the body, the paint, the interior, the under the hood. Where are you gonna go find a 12,000 mile car? I mean, this thing is as close to new as you're gonna find. 1973. It runs great, it drives great, it looks great. The paint, like I say, is all original and just absolutely stunning. When I washed this thing, this guy must have took this car and had it like ceramic coated or something, because when I washed this thing, the water just beat it up on this thing and just fell right off. Look at that interior, beautiful interior. It's like a two-tone blue. Man, it's pretty. Seats are perfect, carpet's perfect. It's got some aftermarket mats in. I think the factory mats are underneath of them. Door panels are in great shape. Steering wheel's in great shape. Instrument cluster is just crystal clear. Inside the trunk is no different, just beautiful. Spare tire, jack, everything's there. I know you guys are probably like, what are you doing with a 73 Plymouth Fury? Well, you know what? I like I told you, everyone before, I like quality, and this car is definitely quality. I love this car. I mean, it goes down the road so nice, drives great, runs great. Condition is everything, and this car it's got it. The headliner, the package tray, the sail panels, the rear seat, the seat belts. If you had one, your grandma had one, your aunt had one, you got to have another one. Here it is. Beautiful sky blue 73. Here's the window sticker. More paperwork, consumer information. Warranty information. Just a bunch of nice factory paperwork coming with the car. Glove box, don't look like it's ever been used. Ashtray, never been used. Cigarette lighter, never been used. All the glass is in great shape. A couple of small little chips that I've seen, one right here, one right here. Chrome bumpers are beautiful. Wipers, horn, radio, left turn, right turn. seatbelt dingery works, key buzzer works. If it was a Chrysler, you could say, driving my Chrysler, it's as big as a whale, and it's about to set sail. Driving my Plymouth, as big as a whale. It is a large barge. Large barge. See the AC compressor runs? What a sweetheart of a car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. 12,000 mile, 1973 Plymouth Fury. Let's take it for a spin. All right, we're gonna have to put our seatbelt on, otherwise that light, that dinger is gonna go off the whole time. Air blows ice cold. I think Isaac wants to go.
Second time in the day!
Well, get in. We're going for a drive.
What's the second time?
All right, put your seatbelt on.
Okay.
It's down on the floor. You got to put it on, or at least hold it. Yeah, put it on. We'll see. Hold it on, or put it on, or hold it out so it don't ding. Probably a lot safer to put it on, but I don't know. If we get hit in this car, I think we're probably pretty safe. This thing's a tank.
Yeah.
It's a nice car. Can you believe this thing? 12,000 original miles.
I don't believe.
You do, 'cause it's how nice it is inside, right?
Yeah, but I don't really believe that.
Yeah, well, I do. An awesome car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know the phone number?
563.
Yep. 452 2450. Yeah, there you go, buddy. 563-452-2450, Kinion Classic Cars. Someday, Isaac, you'll be doing these videos all by yourself, and I'll be able to retire.
But I don't want you to.
You don't want me to retire?
Not too soon.
I'll just let you take over, okay?
If we get a house that has like a shop, you can retire and work from home every day.
Yeah. Sounds like a good plan. I'm just gonna get out real quick and take a video. I'll be right back, okay? See, the key buzzer works too, Isaac.
Yeah,
Yep. Here she is. Just a gorgeous car. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Isaac and I will be glad to talk to you about this 73 Plymouth Fury. Steering brake, ice cold air. What a great car.
nothing. I was
Here we
just
go.
videoing a car. Can you hear me?
She runs great, drives great. Just one beautiful 12,589 miles on the clock now. Ice cold air conditioning. What a time capsule. Give us a call. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, right, Isaac?
Yeah.
Yeah. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everyone.